welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. In today's video, I am going to be making a quick little treat. I'm going to be making pina colada on a stick. This is one of my favorite treats to make around the holiday season, so I thought I'll share with you. So let's go, let's get started. All you're gonna need is SVEDKA, coconut flakes, pineapples, sweet condensed milk, and you're gonna need some type of stick. These are coffee stirs, and I'm gonna be breaking these in half because they're a little long. Going to open the pineapple. I love pineapples, so this is one of my favorite. I always make small amount at a time so that way I don't end up eating everything. So we have the pineapple in a bowl. I like to poke them a little bit once they're in the bowl. Okay. So now we're going to be putting in our SVEDKA. And we're going to, so we have a pineapple and SVEDKA. So now we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. So we want the SVEDKA to absorb all the pineapple. So that's why I like to put little holes in them, so that way the SVEDKA doesn't sit on the surface. It actually goes on the inside also. So this is gonna sit for 30 minutes.
1 hour later.
So now we're going to be opening our sweet condensed milk. Ooh. It just popped open. Oh, that was so good. See, here I go with my so good again. I'm going to be pouring into this small bowl. I am making a mess with this today. So I'm gonna be taking the stick, breaking it into a half. Take one of the pineapple and then just let it soak in like this. And we're just gonna do this over and over again. So this is what it looks like now. So we have all our pineapples and the sweet condensed milk. So good. Looks amazing. I'm gonna eat these two right now. That's why I like them out. Oh, so good. Now, I'm just going to add in the coconut flakes. I love coconut, so we could. That's enough. See this? And then we're just going to put it in the freezer. I'm gonna let it freeze overnight, and tomorrow it'll be all mine. So good.